Everything all right?
I didn't get much. The upload was cut off.
Shit. I knew it. Okay. Have to find a way in myself.
Are you crazy? Even if you did get inside there, we can't read it. It's encrypted.
Well, what am I supposed to do? Damien has Nikki. Just tell him he can keep her?
Of course not. Of course. I'm not saying that. But he's playing you.
Yeah, I'm not gonna give him this before I know what it is. Damien cannot be trusted.
I know that.
All right, well, let's just deal with one problem at a time. All right? If I can get this information, can you decrypt it?
No, it's way beyond my skill.
Then who then? Hey, what about that crazy guy? Tobias, he used to work here.
Okay, that's where we start then.
Okay, but we need to be discreet.
I know how to be discreet.
Sorry.
Okay. Okay. Wow.
Wow.
Raymond Kenny. It has to be him. He was a software engineer hired for the CTO startup. He created the encryption. The creator always have a backdoor.
Wait, he can decrypt it?
Kenny is crazy good. I bet he built this room. He's a genius. No, I mean a legend.
I'm guessing legends aren't easy to find.
He's way off the grid. No one's heard of him in over a year.
He's lurking somewhere.
Okay, everyone has a history online. We start there. We get Kenny's last known point and work backwards.
He's been gone over a year. This could take a while.
There. He's covered his tracks very well, but he's bounced through one location a few times.
So we trace it back and we find his location.
In theory, yes. You'll need to reach that point and connect me to the computer. I'll run a search from the bunker.
And we'll have Kenny.
If we find Kenny, you need to be careful. He's a very dangerous man.
Dangerous, huh? What's his story?
He's a Bloom whistleblower, or a cyber terrorist. Depends on who you ask. Delivered his message by blacking out most of New York State.
I remember that. 2003. Not just New York, that was most of the Northeast. Killed a couple of people.
He killed 11 people. They called it a software error.
What the hell was his message?
Kenny was trying to warn everyone. He didn't trust people inside Bloom. But I don't think he expected anyone to die. Now he's in hiding.
And we're about to find him.
The place you're going is the very end point of Raymond's last signal. Hackers hide their locations by routing their packets through botnets.
Yeah, it's a good trick. I've tried it myself. He's probably bounced his signal all across the globe.
We'll have a problem if that signal ends in China or some faraway country.
No, he's here. I don't care if he's gone off the grid. If this is Kenny's ex-Bloom, something tells me he wants to stay close to the action.
Maybe. But if he really was in Chicago, why has he been so quiet? He's not the kind of guy to just sit back and watch.
You said he killed those people. Must be a pretty price on his head. Good reason to stay underground.
What?
Aiden, we might have a problem. I'm picking up a lot of chatter about Rem and Kenny.
That's strange timing. You said this guy's been dark for a year.
I think we might have alerted someone when I spun Rem and signal.
So we'll have company waiting for us. All right.
This is a lame contract. We better not get screwed on payment. I'm still getting my raise. This place is a dump. Looks like no one's been here in months. Must be seeing things. Ah! What the fuck? Huh? Not right. What the hell could happen? Weak punch. Hear me? Look over there. I got nothing. I'll check over there. I got nothing. I'll check over there. It's clear. We're gonna check somewhere else. Stay alert. Track him. Move. Be careful. Stay focused. You're starting to bore me, man. Come on back. Saw something over there.
can't be gone. Look for him. Go over there.
Huh? Search over there. I don't see anything. Gonna move on.
I don't see anything. Gonna move on.
Looks clear. I'll head that way. I got nothing. I'll check over there.
It's looking clear. I'll head that way.
It's clear. Gonna check somewhere else. Sniper!
Don't see Jack. Gonna check somewhere else.
Watch it! Search that way. Be careful! I don't see anything. Ah!
Where'd that come from?
Shit. Someone's onto us, Clara. Let's make this quick. What am I looking for?
Connect me to the computer. I'll run a search from the bunker.
Wow. Old school shit. No wonder good cops can't shut the club down. Clara, it's online. Go around. Close in on him.
Montreal, New York.
Target flag verified.
Clara, it's online. Go around. Close in on him.
Montreal, New York.
got it.